lawyers, Alex Sanchez and Rene Sandler, author of The Code. Okay, Rene, I guess you're defending the devil dog?
Yes, I am. It's the deed, not the breed,
so
Nancy.
The breastfeeding mommy needs to go to jail, but
yes.
The killer dog, that's okay.
It's not, listen, this breed-specific legislation that is not working, that has been enacted even in my home state of Maryland, even the American Kennel Club says isn't working. So it's the deed, not the breed. It is racial profiling for dogs is what this is about.
Okay, you just said racial profiling about a dog. Well,
that's
I'll just
what
throw
it's
it
akin
to you.
to. That's what it's akin to.
You, Rene, I've never seen a Chihuahua or a King Charles Cavalier kill somebody. So when you're talking about profiling, you know what? You need to go back home and read the stats on pit bulls and Rottweilers because they're devil dogs.
Number one biter is a Chihuahua. The number one biting dog is a Chihuahua.
He might nip your pinky, but he's not going to kill you. Michelle Southern, Louisiana Radio Network, I understand there was another dog in the home that has been removed.
Yes, and that's what they're citing as one of the reasons that maybe Nico snapped, is that he was a male dog and that the other dog
Michelle?
was a female and he.
I just don't know how many times children are going to have to be murdered by pit bulls and Rottweilers before we wake up and see what's going on. Everybody, when we come back, ravaged by drugs, the